How can I determine which ions are present on my assembly? In our last video on ionic contamination, we showed how the ROSE test helps you quickly and easily detect the total ionic contamination on your assembly. But what if you need more detailed insights, not just how much, but exactly which ions are present? This is where ion chromatography comes in. In the first step, the ions present on the assembly are extracted into a liquid solution. This solution is then analyzed by the instrument, which classifies the ions. Using this method, you can precisely identify which anions, cations, or weak organic acids are on the surfaces of your assemblies. Chlorides, bromides, or sulfates, for example, can be hygroscopic, meaning they actively attract moisture from the surrounding air. This can lead to consequential damage, such as corrosion or field failures. Whether it's for evaluating the required surface cleanliness after soldering, validating your cleaning processes, or preparing for coating and bonding procedures, ion chromatography can provide the critical data you need to ensure quality and proactively prevent failures. We're here to support you. We present the results of our analysis clearly and comprehensively in a technical report, giving you a solid basis for defining and continuously monitoring internal quality standards. Feel free to contact us with any questions about ion chromatography.